Hey guys, so you're about to see the aftermath of this setup right here. It is the Injen intakes for the Nissan 350Z HR models. Guys, so after I installed this, I've had it installed for 3 days just to test it out so I can give you guys a good review on it. And I just want to know that, I'll let you guys know that it is 100% worth the money. It's not like a turbo at all in any way, but so if I smash the pedal and I'm going, I hit 5,000 around there, it feel like a little bit of a boost. Like I can just tell that like it's taking full advantage. It's not tuned in any way. I just feel a big like power gain. Like it's like at the high RPMs, I can tell a huge difference with it. I think it's really, really worth it. I got it for $540 off Amazon. They shipped it from Injen, I think, but Amazon guaranteed a faster delivery, so I got it within 4 days. So I definitely recommend this. This sounds amazing. It sounds like if you're outside the vehicle, you don't hear it as much when you're going down the road because the exhaust sounds the same, but you hear it from the front of the car. So it's like the sound goes through the air vents. Like it sounds beautiful. Like you just hear that VQ. Oh my. It sounds way better than stock, and that is a promise. You guys could hear it in the video probably even. I mean, you can just hear it sucking in the air when you start the engine. You put your ear by here, you just hear it going. It just feels so much more powerful than it is. And I mean, I can't say I have nothing but love for it. If you're going to get these, you don't want to worry about heavy rainfall or puddles and stuff getting in there, sucking in and waterboarding your engine. So get these, they're on Amazon. I'll send you the guys link if you guys ask for it in the comments. It looks like this. Get the right size. Basically just type in the number on here and it'll say the matching one, and boom. So they're hydro shields. I mean, you pour water on them and it runs off. They're not even like, you feel this after you pour water on it, it's not even wet. It's crazy. So you guys definitely want to tune it, which I am going to do once I get my headers and my Y pipe done. So guys, stay around for that. Check out my channel, my other videos. Subscribe if you want to see more content like this, races, all that good stuff. So peace out.
The reason that I got the Injen intake, the one I did, was because it goes outside the engine bay. And the reason it's outside the engine bay is because the cold air from the outside world goes straight into the intakes and then goes straight up into the engine. I mean, if you have a cold air intake that stays inside the engine bay, I mean, it's not going to be cold at all. It's going to be 150 to 200 degrees in there. So cold air is more dense means more explosion when combined with gas. So on colder days, you're going to feel huge power gains. On hotter days like 95 degrees, you're still going to feel more power gains than if you got a cold air intake that was still in the engine bay. So like people that get cold air intakes that are inside the engine bay, they gain no power at all. Sometimes they even lose power, like 1 to 5 horsepower they'll lose. And it sounds really good, so if you want to lose horsepower but sound really, really freaking good, then I mean, that's your choice. So, I mean, it's all up to you. I personally would spend the extra money and get the one that goes outside. It's a really fun job. You gotta take off the bumper, but in the end, it's really, really worth it. I feel huge gains at 5,000 RPM. I mean, it's like a mini turbo. It's like when you hit 5K and your foot's on the pedal, it's like a little extra boost. It's like your head goes back a little bit, and it's great. So, highly recommend it. I'm guessing I made 10 to 15 horsepower, and when I tune it, I think it'll make more 15 to 25 horsepower. So, I mean, do what you guys want. Highly recommend this mod. Not the intakes that stay in the engine bay. So this is Z33 Live. Peace out. Subscribe if you guys want to see more content. I'm going to be doing the 0 to 60s and stuff, stock versus the intake soon. So let me know what you guys think in the comments, and peace out.